Today our topic is tensor. What are tensor? First of all, we will define what is tensor in an m-dimensional space. A tensor of, first of all, we know about scalar. A scalar, to describe a scalar, there is no need of a particular direction. And for description of vector, we require some particular direction. So there is a general case of scalar and vector which is called an tensor. Tensor in an m-dimensional space, a tensor of rank n is a mathematical object that has n indices. We can say that n indices is equal to mn components and obey certain transformation rules. What is mean of n indices? If we write this, look at this p, these are indices xx, xy, xz, these are indices. So what is definition of rank of tensor? Number of basis vector needed to fully specify a component of a tensor. अब इसका मतलब हमारे पास क्या होगा कि जो हम अगर किसी वेक्टर को डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं ना, मतलब आगे इसको चलो देख लेते हैं हम. Tensor, we know that a scalar is a quantity whose specification in any coordinate system requires just one number. Scalar is a quantity for which we have no particular direction. On the other hand, vector is a quantity which require coordinate system, or we can say that this requires direction. Scalar and vector both are the special cases of more general object called tensor of order n, whose specification in any given coordinate system require 3 raised to the power n numbers, again called the component of tensor. 3 raised to the power n will show that what is the number of component of that tensor. For example, scalar are tensor of order 0, mean n is equal to 0, so 3 raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1. And similarly for the case of vector are tensor of order 1, here value of n is equal to 1, so if we put the value of n in 3 raised to the power n formula, then 3 raised to the power 1 will be equal to 3 component. The order or rank of a tensor is effectively the number of suffixes used in it. Suffixes meaning is that, look at this expression, a and suffixes is j. So this is the first order tensor.